Hi there. Um, just a quick unboxing from this little place here. Some of the inexpensive stuff. Now, time will tell if it's inexpensive or cheap crap. Most of this stuff is shaving, all of it's shaving creams, and very affordable. I think the most expensive one was about €2. We'll see. Also, look how they going to check how they smell. Okay. So the first one has seen some YouTube videos, as far as I'm aware. It is this one. Don't know if it'll focus. It's called Lighter or something like that. Now, classic shaving cream, suitable for all skin types. It gives reach, foam, and unique formula. Fragrance based on citrus notes, spicy woodiness, and masculine. 65 grams. It's a relatively small one. Let's see how it smells, shall we? Sort of palm olivey look, a green tint. Yeah, alright, quite unique. Citrusy, yes. Palm olivey, kinda, but not exactly. So that's one. Now the other ones I do know, it's the next two. Now I think this is from Czech Republic. Oh, sorry, Poland. Also the next two, Poland as well. Wars shaving cream. Now I haven't gone to read that much because the labels on here on the website was quite small and they're kind of on still. English shaving cream, best before, date batch, yeah. That's it. Everything else in Polish. White in color. Very perfumey, synthetic scent. Not bad. We'll see how it performs. Also, 65 grams. I think all of them are, basically. The next one is Dented Wars, but sensitive skin. It says a bit more here. Shaving cream with a mild, refreshing fragrance. Traditional, reliable, yeah. For a quick shave, aloe vera extracts, moisturizing smoothness. Alright. For sensitive skin. Let's see how. Also white. Yeah, an aloe vera scent, basically. Alright, the rest I have not seen anywhere before. This would quite intrigue me. Called Bond. Simply because of the name, I had to try it out, you know, Bond. Don't know if it's pronounced any differently. Polish as well. 100 milliliters. Let's see if we can find something to understand here. Nope. Everything's in Polish. Oh, and it comes with the cap. I don't get much of a scent out of it. Very faintly there. But perhaps that's going to be different when it's lathered, if it lathers. Next, I do not know where this is from. Let's see. But it is called Korzos. It's me I'm laughing at. Fresh. 100 milliliters as well. I don't know what soft formula means. It's kind of difficult to read. No, it's not because I'm getting old. Oh, there it says something. Also Polish. A Polish theme today. Right, and last one. And this one I also had to add because it's Bond Fresh. And there's some English on this. Special formula shaving cream, Bond Fresh, creates a light and abundant foam of full line for quick and effective shave. Yeah. And that's it. Nothing else to be read. That's for me to read anyway. Let's see. It comes with a restrictor as well. This one has more scent. Alright, bit hard to describe, but yeah, fresh. Oh, we didn't check out this one this week. The Korzos. It comes with a restrictor as well. I think that's a nice touch. And basically this entire package with shipping was $12, $15 or euro. Very inexpensive this, and it should be cream enough for quite some time. These kind of smell like the same, kind of, but perhaps lathered up it is going to change, but that's it. Let's see if we can have it all here in the picture. Polish shaving cream. Let's see what they're able to do over the next course of these next many weeks. That's it. And also these walls here seem to be in metal tubes. This one as well. And these three are sort of in plastic containers, sort of like toothpaste. You know. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. And I hope you got something out of this. You know, that's what we're going to spend the rest of the many weeks on looking at. And yeah, quite intrigued. Also expecting some barbers, actually. Quite sort of that. And if there's anything of this that I really like, I will try to get the matching splash to it as well. I really actually like it, you know, but we'll see. It says here, made for men. Yeah. And made in Poland, yeah. So that's everyone. Thank you for watching, and stay safe and stay healthy. And that was it. Bye bye.